In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create clickbank account, and through that you'll be able to make some passive income from it. You'll be selling people's products through online, and you'll be getting passive income from this platform. So what you have to do is just go to your browser and search for clickbank.com. So when you search this, what you are going to see. Okay, so here this is the interface of it, and you just search for this place. It says start here, so you just click on start here. You just click on start here, and it will load for you to enter your particulars. So here it says that we should fill some survey that you need to do. So we are not going to do the survey, we are going to skip. So just click here to skip it, so that you're able to complete our registration quick. So we have here sign up here, and then we have login. So we are going to sign up. So you just scroll down and you see this is, you just choose your country. Okay, so here just choose your country. Okay, so the country that you find yourself in, so you choose your country and your name. So first, last name and first name, and you come here and choose your number. Okay, so after choosing your number, you just scroll down, and then your email address and your password. So as you can see, so just hit on continue. You just hit here continue to terms. So you just go to their terms and conditions. You just have to go there. Okay, so you just scroll down, read through. Okay, you just read through this one, and you just come to complete. Click on join click bank. It's not all that going. So this is how you can just create your account. Okay, so after you just create your account, you just have to log in. So I'm going to log in here, and as you can see, this is my details here. Okay, so we just click on this one to log in. You'll see all these particulars here. Okay, that's your analytics, everything here, find product. So in the next video, I'll show you guys how you can find products. Okay, you can start finding selling products to promote, so that you're able to make more money. See you in the next video. Bye bye.